Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make buckwheat pancakes. Cue the music. Alright, I appreciate you joining us. Welcome back. I appreciate you being here today for whatever platform you are watching us on. Like I said, we're going to be making buckwheat pancakes. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got 1 cup of buckwheat flour, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of molasses, 1 cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Now I am using the Bob's Red Mill buckwheat flour, and the ingredients in the recipe are on the back of the bag. I will indicate that. The recipe for this is also on my website, it's onlyfood.biz. So I'm going to make sure I give attribution to this in the video and on my website that I'm using the back of this. This is not something I came up with. So with that, let's start mixing this up. All right, we've got 2 different things we're going to do here. I've got the buckwheat flour, our salt and baking powder. I'm going to set into this bowl, the bigger bowl, and we're going to whisk that all together. And then in this bowl, we're going to add our milk, our molasses, our egg, and our oil. And we're just going to whip this up, break that egg up, get that all mixed up, and then we're going to add our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. And we're going to whisk this up to make our batter. Alright, we got a nice batter there. Let's head over to the stove and make some pancakes. Alright, we have got our mise en place, which is basically the pancake batter we made. I've got our tools. We got a ladle to pour the batter, and we've got our rubber scraper. I'm sorry, not a rubber scraper, but our spatula to flip the pancakes, and of course our oil to get our griddle lightly greased. I'm going to focus on the pan and we'll start cooking these pancakes. Alright, turn our heat to about a medium to medium high. Get this griddle going. I'm going to spray this pan release on here just to get the griddle so it won't stick. Alright, I'm going to make 3 pancakes. Start with these 2. You know, I just cook it till the top starts bubbling, and when they starts bubbling on the top, you flip them over. We'll see that in just a second. Usually when we make pancakes, we make them, and the first 1 or 2 are always terrible because we either don't let the pan get hot enough, the batter's too thin or too thick, or whatever it is, but the dog gets it, so the dog's happy. We got a little bubble action going on here. I want to wait till it's kind of got a little bit more action on there before I flip them. Alright. Definitely smell the molasses in there. Now I smeared some of the batter on the top, not a problem. You just flip it back over and cook that off. But let's do a short stack. Now I'm going to go ahead and do 3 for the pictures. Like I said, with the one that's got the batter that I smeared on there, you just flip it over and that'll kind of cook that batter. And you always cover it with the other one if you don't want it an ugly pancake. So, alright, I'm going to cook the other one, get these all stacked up, put some butter and syrup on it, take some pictures, and we're going to come back and give it a taste. Don't go away. smell good. Let's see what they taste like. Beautiful pictures. I'm going to put a little more syrup on here where I'm going to eat. A little bit of a bite right here. Some of the butter on it. A blueberry on there too. Very good. And that molasses is coming right out in every bite. You get those earthy, very burnt caramel kind of tones in it. And the syrup just kind of brings that out too. Kind of a good clash between the sweet and the bitter. So don't forget the recipe is in the description box with the first pinned comment. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoy it. This might be too much. I should have made just a short stack, but this is definitely filling. So take care of yourselves. We'll see you again. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.